Hi, this is Leetcode. We're actually trying to move from Illinois to Boston nowadays, but I'll still try to make at least 2 to 3 videos since it's closer to my interviews nowadays. So today we're going to look at square of a sorted array. It's a classical application of two pointers. So we're given an array of integers, nums. This is sorted in a non-decreasing order, and we want to return an array of the squares of each number sorted in a non-decreasing order as well. For example, if we have this num array, we do allow negative integers as well. We have -4, -1, 0, 3, and 10. And after squaring this, the array should become this one. So if we just deal with elements one by one, the very brutal way would be we calculate this linear scan and then we sort them, but then the time complexity will be n log n. But can we actually, so we can actually do this by one pass using two pointers. First thing to realize is we can initialize a answer array, and we can have two pointers points to the first of the array and another pointer point to the end of the array. Now we need to compare which one is bigger, and we just assign this from the end. Compare and we assign from the end of our answer. Okay, so in this way, the time complexity will just be linear, O(n), and the space complexity will also be O(n), including our answer array. But if we do not count our answer array, it will be a constant for pointers, and O(n) for our answer. Cool. Let's start coding things out. And let's assign our answer for 0, and we can always just return this answer. Now let's do a two pointer. So we would have a left pointer points to the beginning, and we also have a right pointer points to the end. The ending condition will be those two pointers actually meet each other. So if we might be equal. So if we do nums L times nums L is bigger than nums R times nums R, then I would need to, actually, I shouldn't do this. I should just assign numbers to my answer array. I minus minus, I is greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus, and for each one I just assign my answer into square 0 if my nums L square is bigger or equal than nums R, then I know that I need to assign my answer I equals to this one. Else, and I also need to increase my left pointer, else will equals to R, and I also need to decrease my right pointer. In this way I don't have to worry about whether my L and R will meet. I think that's pretty much it. Let's try to run the code. Submit it. Perfect. Cool. So this is a classical example of application of two pointers. if we look through the video, we would find that so this is a classical complexity will just be O log n, the space complexity will be On, but if we use two-pointer approach and we just assign from the end of our answer array, the time complexity could be reduced into just linear, and the space complexity will also be On. Cool. Seems like that's all of this question. I will be making more of two pointers as well, but stay tuned.